Alright, here's another video over derivatives, and this one's just kind of explaining a little bit of the difference between the power rule versus the rules of exponentials. Alright, so the two functions that we have on the slide, you can just kind of look at and see that the one on the left here, it's just x squared, and the one on the right is f of 2x. Alright, so if we were going to take the derivative of, say, the x squared, you should know the power rule, which is just saying that the derivative will be equal to, you bring down the power, and you keep the x, and you subtract 1 from the exponent, which would just be 1, or just 2x. Alright, so seeing that, you may think you could try to do the same thing with the exponential that's over here on the right. So you try to say f prime of x would be equal to bring down the x times 2, and then say x minus 1, and that just looks ridiculous, and so that is no bueno. We don't like that. Well, derivatives have this one rule as far as if your variable is in the exponent, making it an exponential, that f prime of x will be equal to whatever you have, which would be 2x times, or I'm sorry, that would be, back up, would be 2 to the x times the log of the base. Alright, and if we think back to say e to the x, the derivative of that is f prime of x being equal to just e to the x. Alright, so it's like, say, what? I don't understand. Well, if you actually go through and apply this to e to the x, whenever you go to take the derivative, you bring down your e to the x, and that would be times the ln of your base, which is e, and this part right here is actually just equal to 1, so that's how we get just e to the x. And so that's really kind of the main difference between the power rule versus a exponential. And I mean, really the easiest way to know which one to use is just know which one you're looking for. So if you actually have a number in the exponent, then you can use the power rule. If you have your variable in the exponent, then you use the rule for exponentials by taking derivatives. And that's just a little quick note as far as how to solve those, and a little kind of brief explanation as to why. Alright, I'll be putting up another video.